So the value of scalar triple product a bar minus b bar minus c bar minus a bar equal to what here? So therefore the scalar triple product a bar minus of b bar, then the b bar minus c bar, then the c bar minus of a bar is equal to, write this one as a bar minus of b bar dot of b bar minus c bar cross of, so c bar minus of a bar here. Therefore this equal to, so a bar minus b bar dot of, here b bar cross c bar here, so b bar cross of c bar, b bar cross minus of a bar, so minus of b bar cross a bar minus c bar cross c bar here, minus of c bar cross c bar, minus into minus become plus here, c bar cross a bar, so c bar cross of the vector a bar here. So you know c bar cross c bar is a 0. This is a property of a cross product here. C bar cross c bar is a 0 here. Hence this is equal to a bar minus b bar dot of, then a b bar cross of the c bar, b bar cross the c bar minus b bar cross of a bar, then a plus, so c bar cross of a bar here. Yet dot product here, take a bar multiplied to these three terms here, dot product is there, so therefore a bar dot of b bar cross of c bar, then minus a bar dot this term, a bar dot of, so b bar cross of a bar, then plus a bar dot this term, a bar dot of, so c bar cross of a bar, then minus b bar dot of these three terms here, so minus of b bar dot of b bar cross c bar, minus into minus becomes a plus here, b bar dot of b bar cross a bar, b bar cross of a bar, minus into plus becomes a minus of b bar dot of, so c bar cross of a bar here. Yes, if two vectors are identical, then scalar triple product becomes a 0 here. Okay, therefore mean of four term becomes a 0. This equal to, you can write this one in this form here, a bar, b bar and c bar, the scalar triple product here. You can write this one in this form here, and this becomes a 0 because the two vectors are identical. This becomes a 0 because the two vectors are identical. This becomes a 0 because two vectors are identical here. Here also b bar and b bar same vectors are there, so therefore this is also 0, and the last one can be written as a, so b c a here. Therefore this scalar triple product ABC keep as it is here, and BCA is nothing but ABCS. Okay, so if the vector change in the cyclic order, then scalar triple product, value of scalar triple product remains the same here. Yes, BCA is equal to ABC. Okay, therefore this minus this becomes a 0. So this is a 0. So this is also here. You consider this one as a standard result here. The scalar triple product A bar minus B bar minus C bar minus C bar, always 0. Consider this another standard result. So three vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar, they given here. And if C2 is equal to minus 1, C3 is equal to 1, then to make three vectors coplanar, then C1 value is 0, C1 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to 2, and the fourth option, no value of C1 can be found here. You know that the three vectors are coplanar, then scalar triple product is what here? 0. If this condition is satisfied, then three vectors are said to be coplanar here. So first to find here the scalar triple product here, A, B, C here, is equal to determinant of vector A bar is this one here. So 1 and 1 here. Vector B bar is 1, 0, 0. Vector C bar is C1 and C2 value is minus 1, they are already given here. And C3 value is 1 here. Then expand it here. This is equal to I into 0 into 1 becomes 0 minus of 0 into minus 1 is 0 minus of 1. 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of C1 into 0 becomes 0. Then plus 1 here. Minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. C1 into 0 becomes 0. Hence this term becomes 0. Minus 1 into 1 is minus of 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 here. Therefore, this is equal to minus 2 here. Therefore, there is no any value of C1. C1 there is no here because a scalar triple product is independent of C1 here. So, the scalar triple product A, B, C is independent of C1. There is no any C1 term here. Therefore, no value of C1 can be found. Therefore, no value of C1 can be found. If the vectors are AI plus Z plus K, I plus BZ plus K, I plus Z plus CK are coplanar, then the value of 1 upon 1 minus A plus 1 upon 1 minus B plus 1 upon 1 minus C is equal to what here? Therefore, the vectors are coplanar. Okay, therefore, vectors are coplanar. Therefore, a determinant of so A 1 1 1 B 1 1 1 C that is equal to 0. Scalar triple product is 0. Expand this determinant here. A into B into C becomes a BC minus of, otherwise but simplify, make the terms 0 0. Make the terms 0 0. Yes, R2 gives R2 minus R1 and R3 gives R3 minus R1 here. So determinant of solitary A 1 and 1 here, 1 minus A, so write here 1 minus A, B minus 1, B minus 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 1 minus A, so write here 1 minus of A, Then 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Then c minus 1 here. So c minus 1, that is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Then expand it here. So a into b minus 1 into c minus 1 here. b minus 1 into c minus 1. 0 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Bracket complete. Then minus of 1. Minus 1 into bracket 1 minus a into c minus 1. 1 minus a into c minus 1 minus of 1 minus a into 0 becomes a 0. Bracket complete. Next 1 into plus 1 into bracket 1 minus a into 0 becomes a 0 minus of b minus 1 into 1 minus a. b minus 1 into 1 minus a. Bracket complete. That is equal to 0. Therefore, here take a minus common factor from this bracket and here also minus common. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So a into b minus 1 becomes 1 minus b here. C minus 1 is 1 minus c. Minus is the common factor here. Minus into minus becomes plus. So 1 minus into 1 minus c here. Next, here the minus 1 into this term here. Take this minus inside this bracket here. This becomes a plus here. Plus 1 minus a into 1 minus c. 1 minus a into 1 minus c here. Then here also take this minus inside this bracket here. So plus is that right here plus 1 minus b into 1 minus a, that is equal to 0. So dividing each term by each term by 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c. Therefore, this divided by this one here. 1 minus b, 1 minus c get cancels here. A divided by 1 minus a. Remaining term here. A divided by 1 minus a. So next, this term divided by this one. So plus 1 divided by 1 minus b plus. Next, this term divided by this term here. So 1 divided by 1 minus c, that is equal to 0. But here we want this result. Okay, here a upon 1 minus a is that. Therefore take this term right side here. 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to minus a divided by 1 minus a. So now take this term here. So 1 upon 1 minus a plus 1 upon 1 minus b plus 1 upon 1 minus c is equal to, write this term as it is here. 1 upon 1 minus a. Then this is equal to sum of these two. Sum of these two is what? Minus a upon 1 minus a. So minus of a divided by 1 minus a. Then 1 minus a is the LCM here. So 1 minus a is the LCM. Then 1 minus a. Numerator term here. 1 minus a. 1 minus a. 1 minus a get cancels here. Remaining is 1 here. Therefore D is the answer here. Here three vectors a bar, b bar, c bar. These are non-zero vectors such that a bar cross b bar cross of c bar, a bar cross of b bar cross of c bar is equal to 1 upon 3 into modulus of b bar into modulus of c bar into the vector a bar. If theta is an acute angle between the vectors b bar and c bar, then sin theta is equal to what here? In this case, use your vector triple product formula. According to vector triple product formula, a bar dot c bar into the middle vector b bar. A bar dot of c bar into the vector b bar minus of b bar dot c bar. B bar dot of c bar into the vector a bar is equal to 1 upon 3 into modulus of b bar into modulus of c bar into the vector a bar here. Therefore, comparing on both sides, on comparing coefficients of a bar and b bar, a bar and b bar, we get here a bar coefficient is this one, and right hand side a bar coefficient is this here, equated here. So minus of b bar dot of c bar into is equal to 1 upon 3 modulus of b bar into modulus of c bar here, coefficient of b bar here. Then coefficient of b bar is a bar dot c bar here, a bar dot of c bar. Right side there is no b bar term here, therefore this equal to what? 0. Okay, you can write this one as a 0 into the vector b bar here, like this also. Then this equal to 0. Okay. Then here minus of b bar dot c bar is a modulus of b bar into modulus of c bar into cos of theta is equal to 1 upon 3 modulus of b bar into modulus of c bar here. Here this term cancels here. Yes, minus of cos theta equal to 1 by 3. So cos theta is equal to minus of 1 divided by 3. Then squaring on both sides here. Cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by 9. Then we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus of cos square theta here. Cos square is 1 by 9 here. So 1 minus 1 by 9. Then LCM is 9 here. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 1 becomes 8 here. Therefore, sin theta is equal to root of 8 divided by 9 here. So 2 root 2 divided by 3 here. So fourth option is correct here.